Hey guys, it's Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm so happy that you're here. Today I am doing something new. It's called Tidy Tuesday, and it's a collab. And Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home is the host. And so I am going to join in on this and see how it goes. I'm going to tackle my fridge since tomorrow and Thursday and Friday I am grocery shopping, and I need to clean it up before, you know, I get and stock everything up again. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. It's not even that full because we are getting close to grocery shopping and we're trying to eat everything up. So let me show you what we're working with. All right, so this is the top shelf where we mostly keep our drinks. I mean, kind of keep our drinks on this shelf and this shelf. And then this one is kind of where we have like our leftovers. And down here I normally stock it with puddings and juice boxes and my cans, and then obviously this is where the vegetables are. You see we have none on the bottom. This drawer right here is usually for our guinea pig. And then we do have this pretty stocked up here, and I need to go through all of this. I don't even think we need the sweet and sour in there. If anything, I can keep it in our extra fridge in the garage because it's not like we use it very often. So yeah, let's get started.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy.
Okay, so this is my medicine, my Trulicity. So I had to keep up there, and I figured, I mean, I'm even thinking maybe moving this down here. I know it's not a condiment, but my daughter, you know, I'm sure she can reach that. Spray butter will go here. Whoops, spray butter will go here. I'm not sure the expiration dates on these. Like, I don't see it anywhere. But yeah. Condiments, and then I figured I'd put my husband's little cookies in there, like in a bowl, because they're always just laying up here, and it drives me nuts. Obviously, eggs are up there, and then I got some condiments down there that we barely ever use. And now let's start with the fridge. So upon taking my trays out, look how the hair back there from the dog, which is so weird, and there's stuff down there. So I'm gonna take care of this really quickly. That legit scared me.
In my mouth is a desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, had to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. One of us will have to take a bow. Feeling you so close to make me drive around. Everlasting love, so much to go around. You got me so high I can't come down. I hope you know that I will never let you go. If all I do is dim your glow, then fly on, baby, please just go. Your soul is the ocean, and I can't touch the floor. So full of emotion, I can't keep any more. Are we at a time where we'd be swallowed whole? Don't give up on us now. One of us will have to take a bow. Feeling you so close to make me drive around. Everlasting love, so much to go around. You got me so high I can't come down. I hope you know that I will never let you go. If all I do is dim your glow, then fly on, baby, please just go. I can feel you there where I once had you all alone. In the back of my mind, I'm under your spell, I can't get out. My heart falls 5 below, and I'm still here. I'm freezing cold, but I will wait. I hold my breath till I turn blue. I hope you know that I will never let you go. If all I do is dim your glow, then fly on, baby, please just go.
Okay guys, that concludes the inside of the fridge. I'm sure it's gonna fill up more once we get paid. Normally I would keep the butter down here, but I'm gonna keep it up here just so the juice boxes are down there for my daughter's lunches. And then I'm gonna try to keep leftovers, which we don't normally have much, but up here. Our creamers, stuff back there we barely use. As you can see, we're not huge drinkers. This is the pumpkin that we give my dog daily, so that's always in here. Yeah, usually we have juices up here, so we're all out, and they probably going down here anyways. And then, as you can see, we need to, you know, refill the vegetables and stuff, but I did go ahead and refill the puddings. I saw someone I watch stack them on top like that to fit more in there. Normally I would just have like 5 in here, so I was able to fit 10. So, and then obviously there's my Mountain Dew Zero, and now they have the code Red Zero, so I was super excited to get that. And here is our lunch meat and cheeses, and I actually put some of our loose cheeses like the Baby Bells and the mozzarella and the YouTube in this little, not YouTube, string cheese, and yogurt, not YouTube, in this container here. And then, you know, some of our cheeses. And my husband has a lot of brick cheeses that he, you know, probably doesn't need to use. He doesn't need to have that many, but, you know, I think he goes to the store and just buys extra. And our stick of butter, this is all we have left. And so, yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to do this every Tuesday. And like I said, it's called Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I had to clean my camera there really quickly. I hope to do this every Tuesday, and I'm going to try to do tiny little projects, which I think is perfect motivation. I hope this gave you motivation. Please go check out the description link and go to Sunday Dawn's page, The Helpful Home. And then there's also a playlist with other ladies who are joining in. I hope that you subscribe. If you're not, please like and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.